In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily react on a message on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Messages app. Then get into a conversation. And then all you have to do in order to react on some message is just long press on the message. And what that will do, that will show you these reactions right over here at the very top. And that's how we can react on a message simply by tapping on them. The reaction is showing right over here, and if we tap on it, we'll be able to change it to another one in that simple way. If you would like to remove the reaction, all you have to do is just tap on it and then tap at that reaction one more time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.